G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I've got my hands on the new M-Cube Triple Pack. So let's go through it together and see what we've got. First off, I love the bag. The bag is fantastic. It's got pockets and zippers and things. So pockets around the side to put things around the back here. It has a plastic bottom so you can take it out, put it in a damp patch and not worry about the bag getting wet. Comes with a shoulder strap and of course a couple of handles. So let's open it up and let's see what we've got. We've got our 18 volt quick half-hour charger. We've got our large hammer drill with chisel function. 18 volt angle grinder. And drill driver. And then of course we've got 3 5 amp hour batteries for each component. What's great about the M-Cube lithium batteries is they're 5 amp hour and they have a quick charge of half an hour. So from dead flat to fully charged, half an hour. So now let's look at the tools. So I've got the big hammer and chisel drill. Simply by turning the knob here, I can go from drill to hammer drill to chisel function. Okay, we'll get this lever out of the way. Now this chuck is an SDS Plus drive. So to replace it, you just pull this collar back, take that chuck off, and the spare chuck in here goes in, and now it's a normal chuck with jaws, so you can put your drill bits in. I've got here the cordless angle grinder. Now this angle grinder has soft start, so when you start it, it starts slow and within a couple of seconds gets up to full revolutions. It's a protection thing for you. Has an anti-vibration handle on the side and also comes with this quick nut here, which you don't need a tool, which you always lose by the way, to replace your discs. So lastly, we've got the 18 volt brushless M-Cube drill driver. Forward and reverse functions, and of course a 13mm chuck. So there you go. Have a look at the new M-Cube Triple Pack. It's fantastic value and it comes in this fantastic bag. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And at Wurth, we're ready for work.